Hi, my name is Daniel, and I just ordered something off of Amazon, and it's the Plustool heat shrink connector kit, and just got it 2-day shipping. Just cracked it open just to peek inside, and just wanted to do a quick little review for you if you're interested in getting these quick connect heat shrink connectors. I know I go through a lot. I use my truck commercially, and I drive, and I have several different accessories that I use, and so I have a fuse bank that I use, and I've got several connectors, and from time to time I switch things up, I change things out, or I add new stuff, and trying to be more efficient. And so I go through quite a bit of them, and I wanted a bigger supply of them, and I just wanted to have it as many as I could in one round, and just have a wealth of connectors. And I wanted it this time around. I haven't ever gotten the heat shrink before, but this time I wanted to, just to see how it would go, and be able to have that added, I would say, benefit when I connect these, and hopefully permanently put them on there the way I want. So I'll go ahead and open it up here, and like I said, open this up here, and fairly large box, still in the wrapping. This is the 650 piece set, and yeah, so it's got two connectors here. Let's see if you can see that. Two connectors here at the bottom, and this opens up. I don't want to spill it, but two connectors there, and it's got, wow. So it's got the three colors, obviously, and you're able to have the different sizes as well. Let's see what sizes it has. So 22 to 16 are in red, 16 to 14 is blue, and then yellow is 12 to 10. I'm probably going to be in the blue and yellow. 14 up to 10 is what I'm probably going to be using. And mostly it's the ring, and then the added on connector. So this is fairly large for that side there. But yeah, so it's got butt connectors, ring number 10s, rings 1/4, rings 5/16, rings 3/8, and then female, male, and then the fork to be able to have that as well. So all together, it looks like a pretty solid set, to be honest. 650 of these. I'm gonna get my heat gun and just kind of experiment a little bit to see how the heat shrink actually works, if it actually is durable. I just wanted to see for myself. I saw some reviews, but I wanted to do this myself and hopefully help you if you're going to be buying this yourself, or if you're not interested, or you're going to be interested. Just wanted to help out a little bit. Looks like it's a fairly stuffed set here, and we'll go ahead and get the heat shrink gun and test it out, see how it goes. All right, so just for a point of reference, I've got a flathead screwdriver, and just putting this on here just to test. This is the smallest size, and just wanted to use this just to see how well this actually shrinks. So we'll give you a little close up there. And also, one thing that I did notice, I know this looks pretty skinny, the actual ring itself, but I'm pushing with my finger, and I'm having a hard time actually bending this. I know there's some stuff from the auto parts store that I've bought before that is better name brand, better quality, better hype, whatever, but I'm able to bend the rings extremely easily. I honestly really can't with this. Like, I'm pushing with one finger, and the whole thing wants to go. The shrink wrap is like bending, but yet the actual it's just not going. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's barely moved at all. So that's one thing I would just mention to you, that's important to me, because many times I've broken rings before and I've barely used them, and it's because they got bent a little bit and then they just snapped off. So that's not helpful to me when I'm trying to take care of my electrical stuff in my truck and do stuff. That's not cool. So anyways, without further ado, we will see how this shrink wrap goes and see what happens. All right. Wow. I don't know if you can tell there. That is pretty solid. That looks like it is on there. Let's see. It's there. Still a little hot, obviously, but that thing has securely, even on the top, it's come down by the actual ring. So if you've got a little bit extra of wire sticking out, it's going to cover that as well. And then, yeah, literally, it's just chilling right there. Oh, I'm sorry, I probably can't see it. It is on there pretty good. See if I can even pull this off. Trying to wiggle it off. It is not going. Okay, I'm just starting to be able to. Oh, there we go. Finally got it off. So, yeah, this is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I've got some other heat shrink stuff that, just little tubes that go over the wires and that. But this is pretty solid. Still holding its form and everything. So, anyways, I'm sure there's other tests I could do to help you with this. But anyways, again, I'll hold it up again for you. The 650 Plustool kit, heat shrink kit. It's got all different types of connectors. We can look at the back and see all of them. I'm happy with it. I already have stuff to do. I actually needed this because I have some things I'm about to be doing, and I needed to get into this and start going and actually see if this is any good, worth my time. I would say it is. I'm going to be using this right out of the gate, the blue and the yellow, the larger sizes, and get into it. So hope this is a help to you. If you're on the fence about it, I would say go for it. I'm pleased with this. Getting this amount of quantity, you would think, oh, the quality's bad. And I just gotta say, this didn't bend. The shrink actually worked, and there's this many. You can't get, for this price that you're paying on Amazon, you're not gonna find that at the auto parts store, at Walmart, other places. You're just not. So anyways, hope this was a help to you, and I hope you have safe endeavors with your electrical stuff, and I hope you have a great day. God bless.